Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make taco wrap, easy method. Start by warming a large tortilla, then layer seasoned meat, shredded cheese, crisp lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a spoonful of salsa. Fold the bottom up and roll tightly to seal. For extra flavor, add cilantro and a squeeze of lime. Serve immediately with a side of guacamole or sour cream for dipping. This method keeps fillings warm and reduces mess when eating on the go. Gather your ingredients and set up an assembly station with tortillas, cooked protein, vegetables, cheese, and sauces. Warm the tortillas briefly on a skillet or microwave to make them flexible. Chop lettuce, dice tomatoes, and grate the cheese so everything is ready. Spoon fillings into the center, keeping wetter items away from the edges. Practice 1 or 2 wraps to find the right amount of filling for a clean roll. If you are enjoying these taco wrap tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation. The product you saw keeps drinks cold and fits in most bags, perfect for bringing hydration to the kitchen. Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle is a solid pick I use when prepping meals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by laying the tortilla flat and placing sauce in a narrow line down the center. Add protein, then cheese, then vegetables in that order to manage moisture and texture. Fold the bottom up over the fillings, tuck the sides in, and roll away from you to create a tight seam. For a warm finish, toast the sealed wrap in a skillet for 1 to 2 minutes per side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.